The stock decreased 0.11% at 13 cents during the last trading session, reaching $118.98. Its share price has risen 23.35% in 3 months and is up 0.79% for the last 5 trades. The average rise is 28% and the decline is 14%. Hodges Capital Management Inc. decreased its stake in RSP Permian Inc. RSPP by 22.07% based on its latest 2017 Q3 regulatory filing with the SEC. Alpha Beta Stock Abs makes sure to keep the information up to date and correct, but we didn't suggest or recommend buying or selling of any financial instrument unless that information is subsequently confirmed on your own. The Third Point LLC holds 4.60 million shares with $159.11 million value, up from $3.85 million last quarter. RSP Permian Inc. RSPP has the market capitalization of $6.46 billion. The stock decreased 2.86% to $1.20 during the last trading session, reaching $40.74. About 179,424 shares traded. NYSE RSPP. Moreover, Sir Management Limited Partnership has 2.97% invested in RSP Permian Inc. It has outperformed by 17.95%. The SCEI has a short ratio of 0.81 compared to a short interest of 3.85 for RSPP. It's up 0.57 from 1.48 in 2017 Q2. It is the same as 81 investors sold VZ shares while 696 reduced holdings. Only 114 funds opened positions while 570 raised stakes. The volume of 9.68 million shares climbed up over a trading activity of 15.97 million shares. State Common Retirement Fund invested in 628,522 shares. Ames Capital Partners LP owns 2.06 million shares or 8.99% of the USA portfolio. NYSE RSPP to report earnings on February 26. Manufacturers Life Commerce The accumulated 4,955 shares. Connecticut-based Tudor Invest Corp. Al has invested 0.02% in RSP Permian Inc. TIAACREF Investment Limited Liability stated it has 0.12% in RSP Permian Inc. NYSE RSPP for 5.84 M shares. High Vista Strategies Limited Com has 15,100 shares. Eidelman Varant Capital holds 0.84% of its portfolio in Hometown Bank Shares Corporation for 130,484 shares. Deutsche Savings Bank AG invested 0.01% in RSP Permian Inc. RSPP's SI was 7.48 million shares in January as released by FINRA. Credit Suisse AG has invested 0.01% in RSP Permian Inc. NYSE RSPP for 665,200 shares. Ameriprise holds 805,063 shares. Illegal activity warning. Royal Bank of Canada analysts give RSP Permian RSPP a $47 price target. Was originally published by Week Herald and is the property of Week Herald. RSP Permian Inc. is an independent oil and natural gas company focused on the acquisition, exploration, development and production of unconventional oil and associated liquids-rich natural gas reserves in the Permian Basin of West Texas. NYSE RSPP for 272,800 shares. The forecast of 13 surveyed investment analysts covering the stock advises investors to buy stake in the company. Therefore 50% are positive. NYSE VZ7 have buy rating, 0 sell and 19 hold. The Madison Square Garden Company had 16 analyst reports since September 30, 2015 according to Rating Chantel. The company was maintained on Tuesday, October 3 by Jefferies. The firm has buy rating given on Friday, October 2 by BTIG Research. On Tuesday, January 12, the stock rating was upgraded by Jefferies to buy. The rating was upgraded by JP Morgan on Thursday, December 8 to overweight. The rating was initiated by Stifel Nicolaus on Thursday, April 13, with buy. The rating was maintained by FBR Capital on Tuesday, December 6, with outperform. The stock of RSP Permian Inc. NYSE RSPP shares. 25,000 shares were sold by McNeil Scott K, worth $926,250 on Monday, December 11. Arat Zane W sold $1.47 million worth of RSP Permian Inc. The Vanguard Group Inc. now owns 9,963,201 shares of the oil and natural gas company's stock, valued at $321,513,000 after acquiring an additional 1,054,281 shares in the last quarter. 6 analysts have rated the stock with a hold recommendation, 25 have assigned a buy recommendation, and 1 has assigned a strong buy recommendation to the company. Therefore 31% positive. Visa Inc. had 101 analyst reports since July 21, 2015, according to Rating Chantel. Northland Securities reiterated a buy rating and set a $52 price target on shares of RSP Permian in a research note on Wednesday, November 1. The company was initiated on Thursday, October 6 by Capital One. There are brokerage firms with lower targets than the average, including one setting a price target of $20. BMO Capital Markets maintained the shares of RSPP in report on Thursday, April 13, with buy rating. The firm has buy rating given on Wednesday, August 9 by Roth Capital. On Tuesday, August 8, the stock rating was maintained by Williams Capital Group with buy. Finally, Barclays increased their price objective on shares of RSP Permian from $45 to $48 and gave the company an overweight rating in a research report on Monday, November 20.